So we start off today's video. Looks like someone has two wooden hoops here, several wooden pieces. Really creating a lot of geometric shapes, putting them together. Oh, wow, look at that towel holder. Oh, that is really cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have some type of tower, looks like a tower tray of some sort. Cute little way to store your knickknacks. Very cool. Now we didn't get the full details on this particular DIY, but it looks pretty simple to replicate. And here we have some cardboard and some type of twine. Okay, so they have to be making a mirror design. This is like the go-to mirror design template. Like I see this so often. So they combed out the little twine pieces, frayed them out. Oh, this isn't a mirror. Oh, it's like a decorative piece. Oh, wow. That is so cool. And they made two different sizes. I love it. Very nicely done. And then we have that very popular placemat. I just keep seeing this placemat. Where do you get these from? Target? I feel like this would be, like this placemat is perfect for playing into your creative side. Like it's gold, it's pretty. Like you can use it for so many different things. Oh, looks like she's making like a little lantern, maybe? Oh no, a floral pot. Oh, look at that. And it lights up. That is cute. Very nice. I love the little twinkle lights. That's so pretty. So then we have some more cardboard and a tissue box. Looks like they're trying to make like those very popular shells. Oh, they made that look so easy. Like, oh, is this all you do to get those? That is crazy. Usually we typically see this design with like bigger like bookcases or, you know, side table, but this is really cute. She's got like her coffee mugs in there. That's nice. Maybe that's why it looks so easy, because it was smaller, less complicated. So far I have no idea what this person is making. Looks like they're doing like a marble effect though. Kind of looks like the moon. I don't think that's what it's supposed to be, but that's what it's reminding me of. Oh, okay. So I think I saw a similar DIY the other day. This is like a nice little way to like have like a hanging vase. Oh, that's cool. Very cute. This is like a smaller version of the one that I saw in a previous video. Very cool. And it does look like that looks like the moon to me. I can't shake that. Oh wow, look at this for placing your books or your magazines. That's pretty cool. So many projects that you can create with like the wooden hoops. Oh, that's cute. That looked so high end too. So then we have some type of macrame style DIY. So she's using a stick with this one. Oh, I think she's doing different patterns for each one. Oh, wow, that's really creative. That's cute. I like how she did a different pattern for each one. That is really cool. Such a simple design too, but it looks great. And then she has some type of bucket here. She cut the top part off, and then she has some cardboard. Some type of contact paper to make it look more decorative and pretty. And then she's using that top portion of the bucket on top. Oh, she added some wooden legs. I wonder how sturdy this piece would be though. It looks like it could be like a planter, a laundry basket, and just several different ways you can play around with that project. Oh, the woven top, that's pretty. Wow, she really jazzed that up. That is really nice. And it looks like she is using it as a laundry basket. Oh, and there's the planter. Okay, very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.